I did take the water sample from the, and I did use the engine for 10 minutes, and there was the word radiator cleaner. As you can see at the bottom there is something, some flakes moving, and this stuff should be red, not yellow, so I'm not 100% sure what the hell. There is good stuff at the bottom. So there did come like almost 3 liters oil away from the engine. When I did put 3 liters new one, and I did wait that going down at the bottom of the engine, the dipstick didn't get even, there is nothing. So I did put all the 4 liters, the Mobile Super 2000, and now it's showing that it's over the limit. Like way over. So liquid, cooling liquid is changed. It did only take 6 liters. It should take 9 liters, but it didn't take that. And panel is mounted. Our ladder is too small, so I did borrow somebody's ladder in the lot. As you can see, it's not the best job. I did just clean the surface, and then I did throw horrible bunch of the glue under the mounting brackets, and just did do that for all the 4 legs, and because I don't have time today anymore, so I need to go, and I can just use a knife to smooth down that tomorrow, and then we need to drill the hole for the cables put. So this was pretty interesting. This piece is installed here, and it's installed here. But there is the grey water tank here, and as you can see there is hole to the outside. So pretty interesting design. And also here all the connection cables for the Hymer panel are tucked inside or under the water boiler. There was like 2 meters extra cable, and it was tucked under the water boiler. Really crazy design. And here we have the solar panel cables. I did break the sealing little bit, but it's not that bad. So this was the 2 times 2.5 millimeters cable. But we have also like 9 or 8 meters extra from the solar panel kit. So this is one cable is 4 millimeters. So I was thinking maybe we want to install with these. We don't need to use the new cable what we did get from the puilo. Engine bay is cleaned, and the dipstick shows still there is like, I don't know, there is oil like. It did take only 4 liters, so I'm a little bit worried about that, but the fridge case filled, now it's hooked to ground power, and I'm just blasting the fridge cat at the max power, so we can get that cooled down, because we did install the gas bottles right now, so we didn't have the gas bottles in the motorhome, so it looks pretty nice, and we are ready to go. There is all the needed systems are online right now. This main switch is behind the driver seat. It's not installed correctly right now, but it works. Then we have the extra oil and the battery charger. Stereos are not installed all the way because it's missing the, and it's forgetting the memory. So I need to switch the cables on the stereo cable. The continuous power comes from the starter battery and the main power comes from the laser battery, and it's between the switch. And this rubber seal is still here, and new mat here, and we have the water pump, or that is the water pump switch, but it's basically for kitchen faucet switch. We have the center console piece here, and the solar charger is here, and we can continuously check is it charging or not. It's not right spot. I maybe install it and on the back wall, but it works for now. I need to figure out what is wrong with the faucet. It did work, but now it's not working. So if it's cold water, it's going like this. Hot one is now it's working pretty okay. But if we let the faucet get more air, then we need to go to the hot water and get all the air away from the faucet and do this again. So maybe it's missing some valve or something, or I need to ask from the other Facebook member who has the same car or same motorhome. So all the manuals and everything is written in Germany, so Google Translate is not the best option to it does okay job, but there is some technical words what it doesn't really understand, and it makes the manual a little bit hard to use. But at least I can hear that there is some air coming from, or some water going on the water boiler and somewhere, and something like that. Right now when it's summer, we don't really need the water boiler or water. Let's check what is the... Yeah, the water is looking fine. No, it's not leaking. I don't know. This is our shower pressure. That is wasting a lot of water when it's getting all the air from the system. Yeah, this is a little bit problem. There is gap between the window hinge and the wall. There is puddle at the bottom, but still I don't like when there is the... And now it's all the water what is gathering in that point. Both sides usually is coming down, and then there is the water at the window hinge. So you really want to park this so the rear is more down and up, the front is more up, so it's not gathering water at that point. I have the blocks, but it's still gathering the water. So now we have the 10mm cable coming from the hole, and the hole, there is a little bit this protection tube on at the hole there is like 20 centimeters or something, and then we have the fabric sleeve top of the high flex cable, and it's going here, and then it's make a loop here, and then it's going here. We have the grounding point already screwed at the side of the step, and I did use an angle grinder and electric Vaseline to clear that area and protect the clean surface. So now is the I did change the fuse holders for my own fuse holders. I think these are a little bit better than these ones, what is coming with the Weaver kit. I don't really like these. So basically now we can just install this back, the plastic cover here, and that plastic cover on the dashboard. The main power switch is a little bit different. It's a little bit giving me headache, but right now this is the only one what we did find from the shop, any shop, what we can get right away. So this goes to the main power switch, then it's basically connected to the main power switch is going to be to the relay, and from the relay it's going to the fuse box, and from fuse box or holder it goes to the positive side of the battery. So installing this is a little bit tricky, but I was thinking like corner brackets and plywood here and making hole to the plywood, but now I'm thinking just maybe cutting 2 of these at the front of the hole here, and then I can just basically screw this in like this to the wood. So it's basically coming somewhere like here, and I think it's enough. It's a bit chaos here, but at least we have 2 days. This shows no, not for heater, I don't know why, but we did use this same, I don't know, is it the same style or is it identical with this, and we did use that with the Truma. I'm not 100% sure, did it have the mesh inside? If not, that can be problem, because the original Truma is just straight outside. And I cannot remember, I think there was not like this marking on the top. It was like mushroom without, not like this. There is some clips or something what is holding the top in the place. I don't know, can we just take that away and take the mesh away? Just to be sure. But this is much better with the different anglet rain, so the water is not getting inside. The original Truma one, the flat one, is pretty horrible, and it's bouncing all over the place and everything. So I don't know, let me try to take the top away and take the mesh away.